Hey everybody, it's Joe with DIY Cold Plunge, and this is a quick start guide for the multicolor LED spotlight that's on DIYColdPlunge.com. This thing is basically plug and play, super easy to use, but let's break it down really quick. So your light will come with everything that you see here. You'll have your air switch, which is the on and off button. You'll have your light with a rubber gasket and plastic lock nut. You'll have some tubing and the electrical box with the standard US plug. First, I'll show just what it looks like when we set this up on tabletop. So you'll take the tubing and connect it to the air switch. Then we'll go to the control box and remove the nut where the air hose attachment will attach to. Send the tubing through that nut that you just took off, attach the tubing to the control box, and then tighten that nut back on. Now it's time to attach the light box to the light. Your light will have a male and female attachment piece, and your light box will have a male and female attachment piece. There's a notch that you will need to use to line these up when you plug them together, and then tighten each connection once you've plugged them all the way in. And then we'll do the same thing for this side. So look for that little notch, attach the two pieces together, and then tighten to secure. And that's your basic setup for this light. From here, all you'll need to do is plug it into a standard US outlet, and you will be able to cycle through all of the LED colors available on this light. So that was tabletop setup. Let's take a look at what it looks like installing this into your cold plunge. Apply a bead of silicone around the rubber gasket before putting that into the hole that you've cut on your cold plunge. Once that's installed, run another bead of silicone around the back side before attaching that plastic nut back and securing as tightly as you can. You may need to use a wrench for this to get it tight enough to create a watertight seal. But once you've done that, you're good to go. To attach the air switch, you'll want to drill a hole into the side of your cold plunge that is easily accessible to turn the light on and off. From there, just feed your air switch through the hole and tighten it with the plastic nut on the back side. From there, it's attaching all the cables and hose the same way we did on the tabletop setup, and boom, you're in business. So there you go. I hope this helps you set up your light for your DIY cold plunge. If you want to know the exact one that I've used, you can go to DIYColdPlunge.com or visit the link below. If you found this or any of my other videos helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you at the next video.